What's going on, guys? Ren Lim here. And today we are back again with another video. First and foremost, the NBA Finals are now set. It will be between the Dallas Mavericks versus the Boston Celtics. Looks like an intense matchup. After the Boston Celtics defeated the Indiana Pacers 4-0, a clean sweep, and the Dallas Mavericks defeating the Minnesota Timberwolves earlier today 4-1. The both teams advanced to the NBA Finals to face off for the Larry O'Brien Trophy. So it will be between Luka and Kyrie versus Brown and Tatum. Mukhang maganda yung labanan na to. The last time the Mavericks made the NBA Finals was in 2011 and they won the championship. The last time Boston went to the NBA Finals was in 2022. However, they lost to the Golden State Warriors. The last time they won the championship was in 2008 during the Paul Pierce era. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the possible outcomes, my predictions on the series, on what will happen, and who will take the trophy home. With two unfamiliar teams in the NBA Finals, it will be an intense matchup. So stay tuned with my predictions and outcomes. My predictions for the series, it will be it's gonna be an intense matchup, indeed. So ang pinaka maximum na mabibigay ko is until 7 games, where the Mavericks will be taking home the trophy. A young team, veterans, meron din doon, and siguro kasi the number 1 seed yung Boston, tapos number 5 seed yung Dallas. Maybe there's a chance na yung Dallas may pull the upset off with Luka scoring like 30 plus every night and averaging a triple-double against the Boston team. So in Game 1, magiging predictions ko dito in Boston, kasi first 2 games will be in Boston. Ang Game 1 na mananalo dito is yung Dallas. Yes. Game 1 will belong to Dallas for a solid about 10 points. 10-point margin. Tapos in game 2, eto na, magkakatapatan yung bawat teams na maglalaban-laban. But in the end, it will be Boston taking home the trophy, not the trophy. Sorry, game 2. So it will be series tied 1-1. No injuries, no anything that will happen. Just a clean victory for the Boston Celtics. Game 3, however, shifts to Dallas, Texas. It'll be the Mavericks taking home the trophy. Not the trophy, once again, I'm sorry. It will be Mavericks taking home game 3. So it will be a 2-1 advantage. Game 4, it will be between Luka and Jason Tatum battling it out. Tapos in the end, it will be Boston taking home the victory in Dallas, tying the series up 2 games apiece. Mukhang maganda kasi yung labanan na to, kaya medyo mahirap magbigay ng predictions. Game 5, mukhang maganda din yung laban dito kasi back to Boston na to. However, it will be Boston taking home game 5 with a Jason Tatum game winner. Game 6, however, Dallas will fight back. Dallas will take home game 6 in their home floor against Boston again. Siguro Luka averaging about 40 plus points. And in game 7, ito yung magandang laban natin, win or go home. One will win the trophy, one will not. But in the end, it will be the Mavericks taking home the trophy, thus giving Luka his first NBA championship and Kyrie getting his second ring and proving that he can win without LeBron. And Luka will be taking home, of course, the Finals MVP, like how we won the Western Conference Finals MVP. So yun ang magiging predictions ko for the NBA Finals. Make sure to comment down below your predictions for the upcoming NBA Finals. Just a short video of my predictions. The NBA Finals are set na. It will be the Dallas Mavericks versus the Boston Celtics. 2 complete different teams who haven't made the NBA Finals for about 2 years. 2 years maximum lang. Kasi Boston made the NBA Finals in 2022. But almost a decade before they won a championship. So basically ganon. Yun lang. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you're enjoying these kinds of videos. So yun lang po. Shoutouts kay Sabrina Briel. Shoutout po sa iyo. Shoutout din po kay Sofia Kapitan. Shoutout din po. Shoutout din po kay Rigel Bonani. My previous collaborator, Louis J. Corpin. Shoutout din po. And to all those followers who are always watching my videos. So, thank you very much po. Once again, those are my NBA prediction for my finals predictions. Hope you guys enjoy. Best of luck to both teams. Of course, I'm wearing the wrong jersey though. It's a Kyrie jersey. But unfortunately, he left the Nets. He's in Dallas na kasi. I haven't bought a Kyrie jersey from Dallas pa. So, yun lang po. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!